Good afternoon. Oral presentation English level 2. This is me. My name is Errol Leighton Mogollon. I am Janera's dances instructor. This is my family. My wife, Luz Estela Garzón. This is my daughter, Salma Kathleen Darian. This is my son, Errol Stick. My trip experience in Acacias. Last weekend I walked in the city of Acacias. Saturday afternoon we were with my wife and children in a stream bathing, and now we were in a very beautiful healing max. On Sunday we went to a farm of one and we made a barbecue with meat, pork, ribs, chickens, corn cob, salted steaks, and guacamole. And then went fishing in wells where they raise cachamas. At night we traveled to Puerto Gaitán. Travel tips. It is necessary that we use sunscreen. It is recommended that you travel early. It is important that we carry all the documents. It is essential that children travel with their parents. It is better that we carry umbrella. The weather is very variable. It is recommended that we carry inflatable beds for children. It is important that we use comfortable clothes. It is recommended that if we are going to cook, pick up all the garbage. What you should do? I should check the weather. I should read my entire wardrobe in advance. I should buy the tickets on time. What shouldn't do? I shouldn't arrive at the airport without the outdated passport. I shouldn't arrive off time at the airport. I can miss the flight. I shouldn't travel without having booked a hotel. Thank you.